everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins
And we
here.
are Vocal Lab Collective. I don't know, I got a spurt of energy right before that.
I felt like I had to match it. Jeez.
Way to rise to my occasion. I like that, thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
No, I don't know, I just felt like I'm excited for what's about to come because I know what the video is going to be.
And me too, actually.
Yeah, you guys are going to love it, so stay tuned just a minute. You'll see. Well, they'll know because they can read this.
They can read
It's
the
gonna
title of the video.
Duh. That's dumb, Jason.
I love this song.
Yeah, love this song, love this artist. Sang with her not long ago.
And the cover artist here. Yes,
Oh, and the cover artist,
You
yeah.
did. Have you shared about that since you did it? I think you did. Did you share
Yeah,
that?
remember you all reacted to it.
That's right.
Yeah, we posted
that
it.
was
It's
fun.
out there. Y'all should
Yeah.
go from this video, go watch where I sing with Gigi, and then watch their reaction to it. That's fun.
Yeah, with me and Carlos.
Yeah, that's a fun one. Speaking of, before we get to that, hit that subscribe button out there. Subscribe to this channel, YouTube. Follow along with us, all the fun stuff. We just started a podcast too recently, so it's on one of the playlists, podcasts
Go
on the
find it.
channel. It's also anywhere and everywhere if you just want to listen where podcasts are streamed.
You won't be sorry.
At all. It is, the podcast is not reality videos, know that, but it is the ins and outs of the music business, and we have really high level guests, industry experts, artists, label executives, songwriters, producers,
yeah.
everything. We won't talk about that on here.
Not mine.
We're going to talk about this video. We got One Last Cry, Brian McKnight, one of the greatest artists of all time.
Freaking love his voice.
Oh, it's so good.
And his brother Claude, which you and I have actually gotten to know. And did
and
you ever get to coach Claude?
I did coach Claude McKnight from the amazing group Take Six.
I almost peed my pants.
The
when
greatest
I had to coach
a cappella
him.
group of all time. How many
Yeah.
Grammys do they have? Like
I don't
30-something Grammys. It's insane.
stupid amount.
Claude is Brian's brother, so yeah, I mean, it's just like...
Our mentor is friends with him and brought him into the studio many, many moons ago.
Yeah, and we got to coach
both
him.
got to coach him because it was kind of part
almost-
of what we were forced to do. And I was
Yeah,
like,
I
what
was-
am I supposed to teach him?
Exactly. I was like ready to pee my pants.
Totally did. Anyway,
But
All that
here
to
we
say,
go.
here we go.
Brian McKnight song, One Last Cry, famous song. We got Gigi and
Gigi.
team doing this. Gigi, John, Jake, Romeo, and... Is it? I thought it was
Oyas?
Oyas. At first I was like, that's not Cyrus.
Our old
Started to say
people
Cyrus.
eyes just
Here we
had to
go.
really look at that.
This is going to be great.
how do we make this bigger?
Right here.
Okay. I feel like this is the artist formerly known as Prince
Yeah.
symbol up here.
Totally.
I don't know what that
There she goes.
is. Is that Gigi?
I think so.
She looks like she just awkwardly came to her
I
room
know.
and she wasn't supposed to be there.
It's like, wait, what have I walked into?
Oh, you guys already started. Oh, yeah.
That I could listen to that all day long.
Buttery. It's hard to not sing along.
I know.
I love this song so much. Ooh.
That little lick right there was sweet.
You know, he doesn't open his mouth
I was
much.
getting ready to point that out. He kind of muscles it right there, but it works.
Yes, he's... Don't try that at home, friends. But he is able to get away with that because he has good release.
Yes.
Most people, when they close their mouth that much, they don't have nearly that kind of release, but he does. Oh, here she comes. This is so funny, this video.
I know she's
She's right
down
there.
there.
What is happening?
I don't know.
Is she injured? Did she get her tonsils taken out? Her wisdom teeth removed?
Woo!
Ooh, that was right here, right in the front.
Sure was.
Ooh. just gonna enjoy it.
Whoa, sing it.
I love how the drummer back there, she's just like, yep.
You're just
I
enjoying
hear
that
this all
moment.
the time. I know he's that good. And now I'm like very eager to hear everybody else because nobody else has sung or played yet.
All right. Nice. What? Wish we had some French fries right now.
That's hilarious.
Thank you very much. Give us a song, bro.
Oh my gosh,
awesome.
that's hilarious. Okay,
That
so
was
that
so
was
good.
just him. It wasn't all the rest of them.
No.
And without knowing any context, I'm like, what is wrong with Gigi's jaw? She had the
Maybe
like
she had
ice
it-
pack
yeah,
thing on
maybe
her
she
head.
hurt
on her
herself
face.
or had her wisdom teeth out. You guys probably know. Let us
Yeah.
know.
What?
I can tell
what-
you this.
Help us.
I did not know that the band sings until I was at the show.
And you
And
got
so
to hear
we're all
him?
backstage getting ready. It was near the end of the concert. This is a show in LA that I sang with Gigi at. And we're standing backstage.
Casual.
Yeah, just casual. We're
Name
standing
dropping.
back. Yeah.
Totally name
Me and my
dropping.
bestie Gigi. You may have heard of her. Gigi and the Gigi vibes. No, so we're standing off stage. She's come out and done this big moment with the Never Enough song.
Oh, she did that?
Yeah,
Ooh,
in
dang.
this dress. Actually, they might have, I think they did that before they sang their song before she did this. Point is, they sang this song at the concert and the band sings.
Yeah.
And I had no idea that everyone in the band had an amazing voice.
That's so
And
cool.
I was just blown away.
Yeah.
Like, that is a rare thing.
Yeah.
That you have a band full of musicians who can play their butts off.
I love
and
how you
also,
really had to censor yourself there.
sing their butts off.
Yeah.
Right? That's so great. It was just, I was blown away.
Yeah.
This was prolific.
He was a pro.
Did I use that correctly? Yeah. This was prolific.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
I think so. Gigi, we love the band. We love it all. We love
good.
you guys for watching along and subscribing.
Let's cry.
One last cry.
It was good.
Until next time, we're going to listen to some Brian McKnight
Yeah.
and enjoy our coffees. We hope you enjoy your day. Until next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Collective.